guys, it's Joy here, and today we're going to be making some mixed peppers with mushroom. So let's get started. Your first step is to select your peppers and cut them into even pieces. So your next step is to fry your mushrooms in a pan, and you can obviously add seasonings of your personal choice, but here we are adding some garlic powder, and we're also adding some basil, just a little bit in your pan, and then you just start mixing it up so that the seasonings can mix into your mushrooms. So we are back to the peppers, and we're just going to chop them into smaller pieces, smaller than the ones we have already chopped them into, just to make them a little bit smaller with our mushrooms. We are now back to our mushrooms, and they've simmered in the pan for a little bit. So now we are going to add some hot chili powder, just a little bit to spice it up a little, and then we're going to add our chopped peppers and mix it. So you just want to let it simmer in a pan for a little bit. We're going to be chopping another pepper, and this is a spicier pepper, just to give it a little more spice, and we're just chopping this up, but into smaller pieces, because this is actually a pretty spicy pepper and you don't want it to be too spicy in your food. We've now added the pepper that we just chopped up, and now we're just mixing it, just so that it's a bit more combined. So we are now adding our meal to our plate, and it actually looks really, really good.